In this video, I'll show you how to hide your Instagram notes from specific people. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the messages icon to go to your DMs. Now tap on your profile picture at the top to create or edit a note. Before posting, look at the audience option at the bottom. By default, it's set to friends. Tap on it to change who can see your note. Now you have two options. The first option is close friends. If you select this, only people in your close friends list will see your notes. Everyone else will be automatically hidden. The second option is to restrict a specific person. Go to that person's profile. Tap on the three dots in the top right. Then tap on Restrict and confirm. Once restricted, they won't be able to see your notes. And they won't even know you've restricted them. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.